Hey Primary 5 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 3 of your assessment paper number 9. Okay, question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4 is 70% of the pupils in a hall were boys. Okay, when 108 boys had left the hall, the number of girls was thrice the number of boys remaining in the hall. Find the original number of pupils in the hall. Okay, this one is actually a little bit challenging if you don't know, if you've never had encountered something like that before. Okay, so let us just do this first. Let's find out boys and girls. Boys, how many percent? 30%, because they said that the girls were 70%. This was before anybody left anybody. Sorry, 70% were boys, 30% were girls. Mistake. Okay, then it says that when 108 boys had left the hall, and did any girls leave? No. So the girls remain as 30%. The number of the number of girls was thrice the number of boys remaining in the hall. That means 30% is actually 3 times as many boys left. So if they said this is before, okay, and this is after, so 30% never change, and this is actually 3 times more than, this is thrice as many as boys. So that means boys will have how many? If this is 30% is 3 times, that means 3 units. 1 unit will be 10 divided by, 30 divided by 3. So give me 10%. So therefore, let's check, is this thrice? Is 30% thrice as many as boys? Yes, it is. Now, here's the simple thing that we have to look for. 70% to 10%, what happened? Minus 60%. That means 60% of the boys left. And how many people did they say? 60% of the boys is the same as how many boys that left? 108. So the question is asking you, find the original number of boys in the hall. In other words, you have to find 100% of the boys in the hall. So if 60% is 108, we find 1% first. 1% is 108 divided by 60. That will give you 1.8. And then we have to multiply that by 100% to find the total number of boys before they left. So you times 100 times 10 is 18, times 100 is 180. So the number of boys originally was 180. Very simple. Again, this is all about understanding the percentages. Okay, another way you can do this is also to understand that percent means out of 100 parts. So 70 out of 100% is 100 equals 70%, right? 70 out of 100 can also be written down as 7 over 10. That means there are 10 units altogether, and 7 of them were boys and 3 of them were girls. So if you want to draw that in a format of, models, what you would do is you would say 7 units were boys. Okay, 7 units of boys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, not very accurate. And 3 units out of this is actually girls. So let's check 7 units here and 3 units here. So 7 out of 10 units and 3 out of 10 units. So we are correct. Then after what happened, the girls remained. Okay, the girls remained, and the boys became the girls became 3 times as many. So which means that the boys only left with 1. So as you can see, this is actually equals to 108. Very simple, same thing. Okay, so and that is the correct answer. If you got that one right, high five to you, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Okay, so basically that's it for this question. Very simple again, like I said. And the quote of the week is, decide now to have no fear. No more fear. And if you ever had the experience of procrastinating, doing your practice or doing any kind of homework, that is fear. That is fear in you. But what do you notice? The moment you do the homework, right, you realize, oh no, this is so simple. Why didn't I do it earlier? Or this is I could have done this earlier and not worried so much, That is because fear has stopped you. Do not allow fear to stop you in your tracks. Instead, decide to have no more fear. All right, and then trust me, your results will climb so fast. You'll be amazed by it. All right, with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.